Is the private account sitting on threads not working properly? If you can't switch your account to private, your privacy changes aren't being saved, or your account visibility isn't updating as expected. In this video, I will show you how to fix private account on Threads app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Threads. We'll tap here. In this page, you will move to this sign and you will tap here on Profile. You will go to Above. You will search about privacy. So you will go to your privacy here. And then you will go to Private Profile, and then you will find it public, but you will tap here in this feature to make it public and to switch it to private account, as you see here. So to make it private. So this is how it works. Don't forget to press the bell icon.